Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple and updated process of creating a sticker on WhatsApp. Stickers are a fun way to make conversations more personal, and now WhatsApp makes it easier than ever to design your own. Let's get started step by step. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and head into any chat. It could be with a friend, a family member, or even a group conversation. This is where your brand new sticker will live once you create it. Next, look for the emoji icon inside the chat bar. Tap on it, and you'll see three options: emojis, GIFs, and stickers. Go ahead and tap on the sticker icon. Once you're there, you'll notice a new feature called Create Sticker. Tap on that, and now the fun begins. At this point, you'll be asked to choose a photo from your gallery. Select the image you want to turn into a sticker. It could be a selfie, a picture of your pet, or even a favorite object, anything that adds a personal touch to your chats. Once you've picked your photo, WhatsApp will give you some quick editing tools. This is where you can crop the picture, remove the background, add text, or even include some fun doodles. Take a moment to adjust it until it feels just right. This part is all about making your sticker reflect your style. When you're done editing, simply tap Send. And just like that, your brand new custom sticker will appear inside the chat. From here, you can reuse that sticker anytime you want and even save it to your sticker collection for easy access. That's all it takes. Creating your own stickers on WhatsApp is quick, simple, and a great way to make your conversations feel more expressive. So the next time you want to say something special without using words, send a sticker you've created yourself.